Hi, I'm Ibrahim. I'm a stand-up comedian and a push presenter, and I'm here to tell you what I wish I'd known when I was younger. First thing I wish I'd known is how much choices are available to you. There are so many different universities, institutions, higher educations, colleges, courses that are available to you that you don't even know yet. Find out what your passion is and see if there's a course or something that can help you progress it or make it better, because I guarantee you'll have more fun making money doing something you love. Second thing is, don't be scared to try new things. You might hate it, you might never want to do it again, it might be really scary, it might be really weird, then your friends might not like it, but it's about you. You're trying to develop yourself, you're not trying to develop everyone else. And then the third thing is that not everything is perfect. This video is not perfect. This is like the 18th time we tried to do this. Like, things will hit the fan. Things will get hard. Things will get frustrating, see, look, like now. But it's how you help yourself, it's how you push up, it's how you develop which makes you a better person. And if I knew all of this stuff now when I was younger, I'd probably be a billionaire.